so today's video is going to be my BOXYCHARM unboxing. Let me tell you, today I have a lot of taquicardia. Yo no sé lo que me pasa. I have been anxious all day and you know it is not helping me. This coffee. I have anxiety. I know coffee affects anxiety. And yet, I can't stop drinking coffee? It's never gonna happen. I can't even switch to decaf. It's just never gonna happen. But yeah, anyway, you know the drill. I've got my eyebrows on, of course. They're a little thicker than I usually go, but I haven't plucked them in a while, so I just got a little out of hand. And I'm gonna dive right into this bad boy. You know that I always have to go, and this month's theme is spellbound, even though I know you guys don't care because that's what I always do, that's what I always say. And so my brain won't change it. Anyway, I'm gonna dive right into this little skincare product. Sorry if it's a little bright today. I don't know what's up with Miami. It was super rainy and gloomy like an hour ago, and now the sun is shining. So this is the Tarte C Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. Collagen eye cream. I love collagen. And this is what it looks like. It's actually really cute packaging. I love this color. I actually have a color that's gonna come out in the near future at LACQUER that looks exactly like this. It reminded me so much of that. Anyway, it says it's like a shot of espresso for your under eyes. I'm gonna use my teeth. I know. Disgusting. I'm just gonna slap some of that on my under eyes before I go in with my makeup. But yeah, it says this eye cream is supposed to reduce the appearance of puffiness and dark circles for a refreshed, youthful look. It's also a water-based formula and anti-aging. I'm always so bad about eye creams. Like, that is the one skincare item that I definitely use it at night before bed, but I rarely use eye creams in the morning. I don't know why. I should, because mama needs collagen. All right, next up we've got these Treslúce. I actually have never figured out how to say this. Treslúce. There's like a little dash on top of the U. I should look this up. This is the brand that I think Becky G either co-founded or she's like, I know she's a part of this brand. And this is their 4-piece brush set. It's called like an Artista. I love that. I actually really do love the packaging on these brushes though. I love this color. It's so beautiful. And I love it as soft touch. And yeah, I'm gonna be using these brushes today when I do my eye look. With this palette. I'm actually really excited about this, guys, because I always open the box ahead of time to peek in and see what I'm working with before I sit down and try it with you guys. And when I opened this palette, this is from Ace Beauty and it's called Falling For You. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, when I look at this, I'm not like super intrigued by it. It's not really like my type of, like, you know, I don't know what it is. Something about it doesn't necessarily call my attention is what I'm saying. But the color story inside is really, really pretty. Look at this. I really, really love these shades, especially these two down here, like this hot red with this like almost like green silver metallic. Dude, that looks so cool. Today for me though, because I'm wearing my little pink shirt, I think I'm gonna go like a more classic pinky route because I have to film some other thing after this. I don't wanna have like bright red eyes, but I definitely wanna use these two eyeshadows in the future. That would be a really cool look. But I think today I'm gonna use like these pinky mauves and do like a very natural look. You know how it is. We're just testing out formulas here. And then honestly, I might as well show you the rest of the products in the box because they're all eye related. So I'm doing like a full eye look today for you guys. So this is from the brand Appeal and this is their adhesive liquid liner in the shade Jet Black. So basically, if you're not familiar with these, I feel like I've been seeing these a lot lately. It's basically lash glue mixed in with like a liquid liner and you just apply it like you would your regular black liquid liner, but it's also glue. So you just pop on your little falsies and they stay and it's kind of like genius. I haven't tried this one specifically, but I love the idea of this. I use the Kiss one a lot and it's pretty good. So I'm excited to try this one. They also added falsies in the box and what made me really excited is that they're so natural. Like they're really, really gorgeous falsies. I love them. I hope they're good quality because I've honestly never even heard of this brand. This is Camara or Camara. Aunique. I can't read. Camara Aunique Beauty, I think. And these lashes are stunning. Look how beautiful they are. I love that they're longer on the ends. These are honestly like my favorite type of falsies to wear where they're like short to long. I forget what they're called. There's like a style to that, but you know, my brain farts. But seriously, so cute. I cannot wait to try this. Basically, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I really, really like that everything was eye related. I'm gonna add some concealer as my eye primer and then I'm going to dive right into this palette. Okay, so far I'm really loving this palette. I really like this eyeshadow a lot too because I feel like it would look stunning if you wet it, like really nice and metallic, but I kind of like how it looks dry as well. It's like more sparkly, like glitterier, as opposed to like chrome, but I love it. It's so pretty, and the mattes are really nice and easy to blend. I have used Ace Beauty before, and I have liked their palettes in the past, so I'm not surprised. But really quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face so I can come back and finish the eyes. You know what I just realized? The falsies I'm gonna put on flare out at the ends. Probably not the best for a halo eye. Not gonna lie. But it's fine. It's fine. Really quickly, I'm gonna add my blush, bronzer, all that good stuff. BRB, again. All right, here we go. I'm gonna apply the Appeal Adhesive Liquid Liner, and then I'm gonna pop on the falsies. Let's see. Okay. Wow, I really like these lashes. They're so freaking pretty. I love how wispy they look. Oh my god, I love them. I love them. Really quickly, I'm gonna go over the band with some more liner and then pop on the other one. Okay, just popped on the other one, and I made the liner a little bit thicker just so that I can even them out, because you know, I'm not the best at applying lashes, but oh my gosh, I love them. I love them so much that I want to go on the website and buy some, and I usually don't even care for falsies like that. I don't really wear them that often, but I love how they look. In my opinion, they're like perfect because they're not too dramatic, and sometimes I just feel like a bird. Like I feel like Big Bird when I wear falsies, but I like how these make my eyes look. I really like the shape of them. Oh my gosh, I love them. And I also really enjoyed this palette. I love the look I did. I love all the shades, and I also really enjoyed this Appeal Adhesive Liquid Liner. I think it's even better than the Kiss ones I have in my collection. I liked it. Like, I like how matte it is. I truly think I loved everything I got. The only thing that I don't really know about is this, because I just used it for the first time, but I would say this box was a huge success. I definitely see myself using all these products a lot. And yeah, that's it. That was everything I got in this month's BOXYCHARM. Let me know what you got in your box. Did we get the same things? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know in the comments below. But that completes this video, guys. I love you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.